Good morning, children.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, I'm glad to see you.
Okay, I'm very glad to see you too. Now, let's start our lesson. Today we have unusual lesson. What is your mood for today? Are you okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah? Okay, yeah? Thank you. Now, today we are going to speak about international festivals. We have talked about international festivals. What kind of festivals do we know? For example, in Kazakhstan we know Nowruz. Yeah? Open your copybooks, write down today's date, the 15th of November, and the topic of our lesson is international festivals. Write down. What is your copybook? That's the Russian. International festivals. And I want to ask you, what is your favorite festival? What is your favorite festival? Murder?
My favorite celebration in the year is Nowruz.
Okay, your favorite celebration is Nowruz. Okay, very good. And of course, I will give you a card for your answer. Abraham, sir,
My favorite celebration is Nowruz.
Nowruz also? Nowruz, yeah? Okay, thank you. Abdullah?
My favorite celebration in the year is Nowruz and New Year.
New Year and Nowruz. Very good. Arslan?
My favorite celebrating happy day.
New Year. Жаңа жыл ма? Енді. Туған күн? Birthday, yeah? My birthday. Okay, thank you.
My favorite celebration in the year is New Year and the Capital Day.
Okay, Capital Day is your favorite celebration. Lina?
My favorite celebration in the year is New Year.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And then Nadira?
My favorite celebration in the is
Nowruz. Okay, very good. Thank you. I think that's enough, yeah? Now, on the next question, I will hear your answer here. And today we are going to work with the text. Open your books on page 56. You have text about Fernando, Heidi, and Clara, yeah? Now, I want to ask you, which people of these would you like to meet? And why? For example, we are going to read about Fernando, about Heidi, about Clara. Look at these photos and which of these people would you like to meet? Кімді кездескілерің келеді осы кейіпкерлерден? Абылай?
I would like to meet Heidi because she is very friendly.
Okay, she looks friendly, yeah? She looks friendly. Okay, Aslan?
Clara and Clara.
Clara, you would like to meet Clara. Why?
Well,
Неге?
Clara, she is
Maybe friendly. Maybe she is beautiful, yeah? Why?
beautiful.
She is beautiful. Okay, thank you. And the answer?
I would like Heidi because she is fuzzy and beautiful.
Молодец. Very good, yeah? It's very good. Kenis.
My favorite.
I would like
I would like
to meet.
I would like to meet is Clara.
Why?
It is
Because she's
because she is beautiful and
friendly, yeah? Don't worry, friendly. Very good. Thank you for your answer. Now, we are going to listen this text, then read and work with a group. We have peer work and individual work, yeah? Let's listen.
Track 2.3. Reading. Exercise 1. Fernando. Hi, I'm Fernando, and I'm from Spain.
Nice.
One of my favorite celebrations is the New Year. New Year's Eve is the day before the New Year. And in Spain, on New Year's Eve, we eat 12 grapes at 12 o'clock. It's very funny. I also like my name day because I go to a restaurant with my family and we celebrate.
Heidi.
Heidi. Hello, I'm Heidi. Midsummer Day is in June, and it is an important celebration here in Norway. The name of the celebration is Jarnsak. On the eve of Midsummer Day, we make big fires and have parties outside. People dance and sing, and my friends and I jump over the fire. We eat fish and potatoes.
And Clara.
Clara. Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm from England. Christmas is my favorite celebration. We decorate our house and we have a big Christmas tree. The days before Christmas, my friends and I sing songs called carols in front of people's houses. We get sweets and money. On the 25th of December, we have a family meal. My dad cooks turkey and we open our presents.
Okay, that's all. And I want to know what kind of new vocabulary we have met here in this text, yeah? Look at this new vocabulary and repeat after me, okay?
Yes.
Decorate. Безендіру, yeah? What do they decorate? Олар нені безендірді мәтінде? Christmas tree and house. Yeah, you are right. Make. Жасау. And what do they make?
Turkey and
That's all, yeah? They make what? Turkey. Yeah? Okay. Celebrate. Бұл тойлау деген мағынаны білдіреді. And what do they celebrate here in this text? Yeah? Yeah, they celebrate Christmas. And what else? What kind of celebration here? Christmas and Midsummer and no, here in this text about Clara, Heidi, Fernando, New Year, Christmas and Midsummer celebrations, yeah? And jump. Секіру. Неден секірді олар? Jump over the fire. You are right. Так, Ринат, you were right. Okay. Evie.
this company.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Evie бұл түн кеш деген мағынаны білдіреді екен. Жаңа жылдың кешінде, иә? Крисмастың мерекесінің кешінде, иә? Олар осы күнді тойлайды, иә? Мұхамеджан? Evie, what? No. New Year Eve, yeah? New Year Eve. Okay, now we are going to make phrases with this new vocabulary. Now let's repeat once more again and you will give me your example. Yeah? Repeat. Decorate. Make. Celebrate. Jump. Eat. open your copybooks. Write down two examples. Екі мысалдан жазайық. Two examples. For example, a word, a song, a street, burgers. What can you do with our new vocabulary?
Now, celebrate.
Yeah, we celebrate in our
That's
choose two sentences. Дәптерге жазамыз. Екі сөйлем, екі сөйлем дәптерге құрастырып жазамыз. Then you will read. Надира, take your notebook. Take her. Жазайық. Muhammadjan, right?
I have finished.
Okay, who wants to read your example? Yeah, there you Ablek.
Dance a waltz.
Dance a waltz. Okay, and then
Eat burgers.
you eat burgers. Okay, you are right. With new vocabulary, okay? Kenges,
Play a song.
play a song. No. What? Murder.
Ivy sing a song.
Yeah, sing a song.
Celebrate a number.
Celebrate Nowruz. Yeah, you are right. Next, who is the next? What? Sairat.
Celebrate a number
Yeah.
and jump over the fire.
Yeah, you are right. Very good answer. Yeah. Jump over the fire. Rinat.
Dance a waltz. Sing a song.
Sing a song. Hamijan.
Eat a burger and jump over the fire.
Yeah, you are right. Very good. Yeah. Now let's continue. Now you will read the text again for yourself. Yeah. You will read the text. Then you have some sentence with true or false answer. Yeah. You will find the true or false. Look through this sentence, then read the text and find Aushaya in order way. At first, read the text. Бірінші оқимыз. Бірінші бір рет оқып шығамыз. Жақыннан келіп жүрді. Оқимыз, қолымызбен ұстап оқимыз. Ясын шығамыз. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. True or false sentence, yeah? Fernando, and you will read and find the answer. Nurshok, read the sentence. Read the sentence. Nurshok, please.
Fernando likes its friend.
It's true. Can you translate it?
Fernando İspanya'da son.
Yeah, you are right. Good job. Next, Matira.
He is in
Restaurant. False. And what is the true sentence? Can you say the true? He eats grapes in a restaurant. He grapes at үйде, yeah? Үйде қалай болады? Home. At home. You are right. Very good answer. Next. Nuray, you are next. Heidi.
Heidi celebration Johnson in June.
Janso. True or false?
False.
False. Okay. Is she right? Heidi celebrates Yanzok in June.
No, Heidi celebration from summer in June.
It's right, yeah? Yanzok, the same celebration with midsummer, yeah? It's true sentence, yeah? Okay, you were wrong.
Teacher.
Okay, next, Amershan. Your parents
Jump
forward the fire. False. And what is the true? What is the mistake? Your parents jump or your friends? Friends, yeah? Your friends jump over. Okay? Yasin. Clara.
Sings on
Christmas. Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
True or false?
True.
True. You are right. In true sentence. Yeah? Adalbek, you are next. Adalbek. Clara's the sixth.
Clara's mother cooks the meal at Christmas.
Yeah? True or false?
False.
False. And what is the mistake? Clara's mom or Clara's dad?
Clara's man.
Huh? Adalbek. Clara's dad. Yeah? Clara's dad cooked the meal at Christmas. Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Now, we have to work with our friends, yeah? Razira with Arslan. You will make a dialogue, yeah? About Heidi. Your text is Heidi, yeah, you're right. Ablay Yasin, Ansar Amirjan, Abel Mansur Adalbek, Ziyara Mulder, Nuray Kinyas. Here, Nurjol Sayran, Muhammadjan Yunat, және Nadira Madina. You will make a dialogue. Look to the model. Look here. Қараңыз бәріңіз. Look here. Here you have a model, yeah? Үлгісі берілген. The first question, where is from Fernando? The text about Fernando, you will make your dialogue, yeah? Your text is Heidi and your text is Clara, okay? And you will make with your pair a dialogue. For example, questions, where is he from? What is his favorite celebration? Favorite celebration on you? Favorite celebration? Жақсы көреді. Мереке, yeah? And what does he do or she do? Олар не істейді ол күні? Okay, you have 4 minutes. Please be ready to your time. Дайындалыңыз, диалог. Where is he from? Where is she from? She's hiding from.
she is from Norway.
What is her favorite celebration?
His favorite celebration is Midsummer Day. Thank you.
Goodbye. Yeah? Okay, very good. Thank you for your answer. And Rinat Muhammadjan.
Hello.
Hi.
Where is from Fernando?
He is from Spain.
What is his favorite celebration?
His favorite celebration is New Year.
What does he do?
Goes to restaurant.
Thank you.
Good one. Okay, very good. Very good answer. Are you ready? Okay, please go. Okay, he goes. Goodbye. Thank you. Very good. And then final. Big answer. Hi. He is from Spain. His favorite celebration is New Year. He goes, yeah? He goes. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you very much. And then who is the next? Who is the next? Murder Intiara. Murder
What is Clara's favorite celebration? Look at this and money. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, goodbye. Don't worry, Dilara. And speak loudly, yeah? Okay? The king, yes, and Nuray.
Hello. Where are you from, Clara?
What are the from the EU?
What is the favorite celebration?
The favorite celebration for the Cora is the Christmas.
What is she doing?
What does she go? Yeah?
It's called friends and it's friends sing it us.
What?
Um,
They give sweets, yeah? Okay.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Yeah? Very good. And I'll give, yeah? Abdul Mansur and Adile.
Hello.
You want to hi?
Where's from Clara?
She is from England.
What is favorite celebration?
His favorite celebration is Christmas.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Okay, thank you for you. And then next, Ramadan the answer, yeah?
Hello. Hi. What is from Haiti?
She's from England.
What is his
Favorite
favorite
celebration.
celebration?
Okay.
His favorite celebration is Midsummer Day. What does
She do.
she make cooks cake?
No, she makes fire, yeah? She makes fire. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Very good. Okay, now let's continue. Now you are going to make a poster. On your table, you have a paper. You must write here information about Heidi. Of course, you will write about Fernando. You will write about Clara. What are you going to do? Please look at these descriptors. Understand? You must find from the text present simple, yes, present simple, and then make your poster creative. Okay?
Yes.
You have 3-4 minutes. Please start. About Fernando, you must find present simple
Мне нужно potato. Мне нужно
Dance and sing.
Don't forget about present simple. Yeah? Sentence in present simple. Your time is up. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. A minute. You have a minute, please. Who is ready? You can go. And come here. Who is ready? Are you ready? Come here. The group above Fernando is ready. Yeah? Thank you. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Please tell about Fernando any information, yeah? You must tell at first present simple sentence, yeah? Come here. Надирайте. About present simple, don't forget, and then any information about Fernando, okay? Please listen, and then we will assess them. Once more again. I also like my name day. Okay? Where is the verb? Если качественно present simple дала. Yeah, like. Келесі нашел.
One of my favorite celebration is Red Velvet.
And what is here present simple?
Favorite.
No. And how can we rewrite this sentence in present simple? Celebrate. We celebrate. We celebrate New Year. Next, Rina.
We go to restaurant.
Yeah, you are right. Next. Go. Yeah, go is present simple. Saira, do you have?
One of my favorite celebrations.
No, here we don't have any verbs, yeah? We must write we celebrate, yeah? Your mistake is without verb. We celebrate. Biz isteyimiz toylar, yemizlik gerek, yeah? Yedirsin. Okay, do you have any? Haji.
People dance and sing.
Very good. People dance and sing a song. Yeah? Okay, and then what is it? What is it? What is it? A fire. And what do? They jump over the fire. It's also present simple. Yeah? And then what do? Also. Potatoes. Yeah, you are right. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. And last group about Clara. Big queen, right? Okay, let's start. Look at me. Clara's dad cooks turkey. Okay, you are right. Yeah, Clara sings a song. Adlib. What do they do? Get. Yeah. Yeah, get money. Yeah. Clara, get money. You have painted the money. Everyone, sir?
The Christmas day.
Yeah, it is a Christmas day. And stop. Everyone, sir. What do they do?
And my friends sing the song.
Yeah.
Get money.
Money and
And
with money they get what? конфет, қалай? Sweets, you are right. Kenia's
Clara from England.
yeah, Clara is from England. Dilara, what can you say? What is it? What is it? Christmas tree. What do they do? Не істейді, безендіреді, елканы безендіреді. Қалай болады безендіреді? Yeah? Your home task is exercise number 1 on page 56. You must read the text. Yeah? I want to assess your group work. Group work was very good. And for today's lesson, I'll give your points. Yeah? Please count your cards. Count your cards. How many cards do you have? And I want to say that Ablay is 10 points. Yasin is 8 points, yeah. Amirjan 7 points. Very good job, Ansar. You have 10 points for today's lesson. Aslan, you have 7 points. 7 points. Nuray, 10 points. Sayran, 8 points. Muhammadjan, Zinat, Nadira, 10 points. Be more active, okay? 7 points for today's lesson. Here in this group, Abdul very good job, 10 points. 6 points, Adilbek, be more active. 6 points, Dilara, your dialogue was the best, yeah? Murder 10 points, 8 points, Nuray, and 8 points, Kenias. You were very good, yeah? Good job for today's lesson. Now, I want you write your opinion for today's lesson. If you like the lesson, you will write I'm fine, I'm okay, yeah? The second is I'm okay, if you have so impressions, yeah? And the last is I'm well. Please write down and stick it to traffic light quickly, yeah? Write your opinion about today's lesson and stick it. Okay, have you finished? Okay, take your place. Sit down, sit down. Thank you. And I want to say that our lesson is over. Our lesson is over. Goodbye, children. Thank you for your attention and participation. Goodbye.
Goodbye.